Now come to the word problem, children. Next worksheet 4 of chapter 11. First question is Neetu bought 3 meter 75 centimeter of cloth for shirt and 2 meter 20 centimeter cloth for trouser. Okay. So whatever given in the question, first you have to underline. In this question, children, length of cloth for shirt is given and length of cloth for trouser is given. So how to write the statement? First of all, you have to write down length of cloth needed for shirt is 3 meter and 75 centimeter, and length of cloth needed for trouser 2 meter 20 centimeter. So total length of cloth is equal to add 5, 9 and 3 to 5 meter and 95 centimeter. Now next question is Amit traveled 15 kilometer 550 meter. So kilometer by train, 12 kilometer 400 meter by bus, and 1 kilometer 250 meter by scooter. Okay. So children, in this question, first of all you have to write down distance traveled by train is 15 kilometer and 550 meter. Now distance traveled by bus 1 kilometer and 250 meter. Distance traveled by scooter, 12 kilometer and this is 400 meter. And last, distance traveled by scooter is 1 kilometer and 250 meter. Now total distance traveled is equal to, now we have arranged the numbers according to their unit and add down 0, 5, 5, 10, 0, 1 carry, 5 plus 4, 9, 1, 10, plus 2, 12, 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 8 and 1, 9 and 1, 1, 2, 29 kilometer and 200 meter. Okay. Now next question. Okay. Now question number C. Mrs. Renu has a ribbon 16 meters 75 centimeter long. She cuts into two equal pieces. One piece is 8 meter 90 centimeter and find the length of other pieces. Children, in this question the total length of ribbon is given and the length of one piece ribbon is given. So you people find the length of other pieces by subtracting way. The total length of ribbon is equal to 16 meter 75 centimeter. The length of one piece ribbon is 8 meter 90 centimeter. So children, the total length is given and the length of one piece ribbon is given. Then you have to arrange according to their unit and do the subtraction. Okay. 5, 0, 5 से 0 को minus करेंगे तो 5, 7 minus 9. Children, 7 is less than 9, so we need borrow 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So आपको मीटर से जब बोरो लेंगे तो वो 100 सेंटीमीटर में आपको कन्वर्ट करना होगा. It becomes 175 centimeter. Okay. Now 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. Okay. And here 15 is left. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7 meter 85 centimeter. So children, the length of other piece of ribbon is 7 meter 85 centimeter. Now see the D number questions. The height of Ram and the height of Syam is given. Okay. The height of Ram is 1 meter 75 centimeter and the height of Syam is 1 meter 28 centimeter respectively. Means first height is given for Ram and second height is given for Syam. So who is taller? So see children, in this question 1 meter 75 centimeter and 1 meter 28 meter. So we see clearly 1 meter 75 centimeter is greater than 1 meter 28 centimeter. So the Ram height is greater than Syam. राम का जो हाइट है वो श्याम के हाइट से ज्यादा है. सो हाउ टू राइट द स्टेटमेंट? द हाइट ऑफ राम इज 1 meter 75 centimeter and height of Syam is 1 meter 28 centimeter. So in this question, children, the height of Ram is greater than, obviously look at the measurement. Okay. So So now children, and so their difference is equal to, we have arranged the unit according to their we have arranged the number height according to their unit. So 5, again we need borrow, 5 is smaller than 8, so it becomes 15, and 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. Here 6 is left, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 meter, 47 centimeter. So children, therefore we have to write height of Ram is greater than Syam बाय कितना ज्यादा है, उसकी हाइट जो है वो श्याम से कितना ज्यादा है, बाय 47 सेंटीमीटर. So children, in this way we have to do the word problems. One more thing children, I have to explain here कि whenever in the questions given in all together, in total, that you children find out, it means हमको उसमें क्या करना होता है, टोटल का मतलब होता है जोड़ना, ऐड करना. All together means ऐड करना, एंड वन मोर थिंग, फाइंड द टोटल मीन्स आपको ऐड करना होता है. सबसे पहले आपको क्वेश्चंस में क्या दिया है, हाउ टू फाइंड आउट कि किस क्वेश्चन में हमको ऐड करना है और किस क्वेश्चन में हमको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. इसके लिए आपको मैं एक क्लू बता रही हूँ कि जिस क्वेश्चंस में आपको लास्ट में, जैसे यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में था कि फाइंड द टोटल लेंथ, टोटल मीन्स ऐड करेंगे. फाइंड ट्रेवल इन ऑल मीन्स टोटल ऐड करना. और जब आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना होगा तो उस क्वेश्चंस में आपको दिया रहेगा वर्ड लेफ्ट मीन्स माइनस करना, एंड रिमेन्स कितना बच गया, तो उस केसेस में आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू राइट, फाइंड आउट वॉट एवर गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, यू हैव टू राइट डाउन, देन फाइंड आउट कि क्वेश्चन में आपको क्या करना है, ऐड करना है कि सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. तो इन दिस वे चिल्ड्रन वी हैव टू डू द वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स. ओके, थैंक यू.